Hello, today's video topic will be about HP stocks and how I did with stock trading. I see stock trading as a good opportunity to make money at home. Honestly, for a long time I was just watching other people make money with stocks. And I kept thinking, is this actually real, or just something that looks good on paper? At some point, I decided, okay, enough watching. I need to try this myself. So I put in money. I chose a company called HP Incorporated. It's a well-known, fairly stable company, nothing too crazy or risky. So here's what I did. I bought 1,500 shares, at a price of $18.60 per share. So in total, I invested around $27,900. And I made this trade on February 17th. At that moment, it didn't feel like some amazing deal. But also not a bad one. Just a normal entry point. And then, things got interesting. The price didn't just go up smoothly. There were moments when it dropped. Even days where I was actually in the negative. And that's when you start thinking, maybe this was a mistake. Maybe I should sell early. But I decided to wait and see what happens. Now, where are we today? The stock price is around 20.35. And if I sell at this moment, my profit is about $2,246. That's roughly plus 9.4%. And honestly, that's kind of crazy. Because you're not really doing anything physically. You just make a decision, buy, wait, and sell. But at the same time, it's not as easy as it sounds. Because in between, there are emotions. Doubt. Fear. The feeling that it could drop any second. So the main thing I learned from this is, yes, you can make money with stocks. But you can also lose money just as easily. This is just my real experience. And now I'm curious. What would you do in my place? Sell now? Or hold longer?